第37页，文学万花筒，与尼莫船长同游海底6万里。
An Undersea Adventure with Captain Nemo. The year is 1866, and somewhere beneath the ocean waves lies a menacing threat. Several ships have claimed to have seen an enormous sea monster darting through the water at incredible speeds. To deal with this threat, the U.S. government assembles a squad of sea experts. Their mission is to locate and kill the dangerous creature. The team is led by Ned Land, a master harpoonist, who is joined by Pierre Aronnax, a famous marine biologist, and an assistant, Conseil. When the men eventually spot the monster, they launch an attack. To their surprise, the creature fights back and sinks their ship. To save themselves from drowning, they grab onto the creature's tail and discover that it's not a creature after all. It's a high-tech submarine. They are allowed inside the vessel and brought in front of Nemo, the captain of the sub. He informs them that they are aboard the Nautilus, a ship that he designed to get revenge on his government because they murdered his family. At first, the men are excited to learn about the Nautilus's advanced features and how they work. Things take a turn for the worse, however, when they ask to leave and are refused permission. Nemo says they can never leave because the existence of the Nautilus must remain a secret. Aronnax and Conseil aren't exactly thrilled with their circumstances, but are enthusiastic about exploring the depths of the oceans. The futuristic submarine allows them to research marine life, visit shipwrecks, and explore the ancient underwater city of Atlantis. However, Land isn't pleased with the situation at all. He can't relax and becomes obsessed with finding a way to escape from Nemo's submarine.